Coach Ernon Simpson, Region 4, Bowling Green High School, 1970 through 2001. Coach Ernon Simpson had one of the most incredible coaching careers in Kentucky hoops history. He coached at Lincoln Institute, Union County, Ashland Paul Blazer, Lyon County, and Bowling Green High Schools, winning 559 games. Coach Simpson was named Courier Journal Coach of the Year in 1999. He was successful coaching at the college level as well, with stints at the University of Evansville and Kentucky Wesleyan College. Ernon Simpson also had a stellar career as a player at Shelby County and Kentucky Wesleyan, where he participated on a Division II national championship team. Highly competitive while extremely likable is an accurate assessment of Coach Simpson. He is retired and living in Bowling Green.
I was raised on a farm in Shelby County, and when the work was over, I had three brothers, and we all played ball all the time, you know. And of course, everybody in Kentucky, the radio back then and everything, the only thing you got basically was a Kentucky or Louisville game, so we listened to them religiously, and after playing and everything and loving to play and making a lot of great friends and everything, the coaching, you know, I had a chance to go ahead and play in college, and then the coaching, it just kind of evolved because I like people and like to play basketball, you know. Jokingly, I tell my friends, I didn't get drafted to the NBA, so the next thing was to coach, you know, so that's where I went. As soon as it came about, I, you know, fell in love with it, you know. You coach 30 years, you have to love it, you know. My first year I was hired as assistant coach at Hendry County High School, who at that time had a great coach named Craner Sloan, who a lot of people know about. Watching that and watching other people, I knew I wanted to be a head coach. So immediately the next year, a job opened up in Simpsonville called the Lincoln School. I took that head job. The biggest break in my coaching career, of course, when I was 24, I got the head coaching job at Union County High School. Had some great players, you know, had three players that went to the University of Kentucky, Larry Johnson, Dwayne Casey, and Fred Cowan. And I also had, I think that 7-year period, there was about 14 guys that went to different colleges, and a couple of them made little All-Americans at Kentucky Wesleyan also. You might say I didn't waste any time in practice and worked extremely hard. I usually try to go about 2 hours as hard as we could go. I think our defense, you know, brought a lot of that about because, you know, opportunity basketball. 1977 took Union County to the state tournament, won our first game and everything. Really rewarding to say the least. And then I took the Ashland head coaching job and took them to the state tournament in 1980, and we also won a game there and everything. And that was great for Ashland High School, one of the richest traditions in Kentucky basketball. Then, of course, my last 16 years I spent at Bowling Green High School and was fortunate enough to take them in 1990 and 1991. I had my oldest son, Cannon, he was the first one came along, and he played at Bowling Green, and then Matthew followed him. Incidentally, Cannon went to Georgetown and played. And then Matthew came along and he went to Transylvania and played. And then Casey, my youngest son, played a year at Western Kentucky, and then he finished up at Campbellsville. But I took pride in treating them just the same as I did everybody else. And I didn't believe in the star system, so that helped with that too, where I believed in having a good balanced offense and everybody doing their part on defense and everything. It's quite an honor to get selected, especially when you look at all the former inductees and the inductees that are going in this year, you know. I feel very blessed.